7th of July 2025 at 2:56. We are in the house of John Riley, 25 North Garfield Street, Arlington, in Virginia. Zip code is 22201. And this is the street. You see, that's the house. And we are on the claim number. The claim number is 0796872455. And we are on the house today because we got the shingle. This is the shingle. The shingle is discontinued, but it says we have the similar one, but it's discontinued. But today we are here. We have the shingle, the similar one. This is the shingle, the new one, and we have this is the shingle, the creases one. Have the one, this one, and we see the creases. Have the shorter one, but we see the creases. And we're gonna try to do the repair on this shingle today. And we're gonna use this tool, that's the snake, so we try to not damage the shingle. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is try to remove the seal of the shingle. Okay, and the first thing we're gonna do is remove the seal of the shingle. Okay. And we see the shingle. Then after that, I'm gonna locate the name. First thing, locate the name. Okay, that's an old shingle. Try to not break the shingle. Okay, this shingle is really old. The shingle is really old, like you see. It's a really old shingle, and we're trying to not kill it. And it's an old shingle. Remember, see it. We try to not bend it that much. Then I'm gonna remove all the nails. That is what you see. Okay, the first thing is like if I see right here, I'm seeing it, the granule start loosen. Okay. That's the measurement. See the measurement. Okay, the measurement, the fishing is 36. The measurement of the old one, 36 by 12, and it's 12. That's good. Okay. We're going to replace it with we're going with the new nails. It's the hammer. And if you're gonna see, you're gonna start seeing the granules is gonna coming off. That's how we use our tool. That's the way how we use it. First nail. Okay. If you see all the granules start coming off. I think because the shadow of the shingle, you're not gonna see it, but okay, that's not the only thing. If you're seeing it on this one, it's not the only thing. If you see on this one, if you see it right here, it's a hole right here. This is the new nail. We cannot nail it on the same spot. We're gonna nail it on a different spot, and then we're gonna see on this one too. In this case, I'm gonna show you. In this case, this is the same case. You see, nail the hole in the new nail, and then we're gonna show you again right here. That's the same thing on this situation right here. Hole and the nail. So hole and then the edge of this one. And it's not only that. You see the granules? These granules came off. If you see with the brush right here, all of this granule came off on the repair. You see? The granule came off. Now this mat it's exposed to the UV. You see? You see? It was not like that. You see this one? It's exposed to the UV. All of this exposed to the UV. And then like on these shadows, you cannot see it. You see, you cannot see it, but if you see on this shadow you cannot see it, but you see this one right here. We're gonna take the close photo, but you see on this one right here, like that's how it looks. You see how is that? And then that's the same thing right here on the shadow, but the thing is because that's shadow, you cannot see it. You see? And then the shingle is dusted, really old. It can't be repaired. Imagine when we do the repair on this shingle, and I did the simulation on this one. We see and if we see right here, you see it? I did the simulation. My suggestion, like a professional and a contractor, and this one is a full roof replacement. If I try to repair all of this, I'm gonna damage all of those shingles. You see, these shingles, it's gonna get damaged. To try to repair these shingles, I'm gonna damage more shingles. Like on these emergency repairs, you see all of these shingles damaged. And then my suggestion on this one is a full roof replacement. And it's not only due to that, due to the shingle is discontinued too. My suggestion on this one is full roof replacement due to all of these things. See, right here, granule is lost, and now the mat is exposed to the UV. You see right here, if you see it right here, and on the shadow, because the shingle has a shadow, that's why you cannot see it. But you see right here, it's a massive granule of loss. My recommendation is full roof replacement. Thank you and have a great day.